In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Vercel account. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Vercel website. When the home page loads, look for the Sign Up button and click on it to begin creating your account. You will now see the available sign-up options. Vercel commonly allows you to register using a platform like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. In some cases, an email option may also be available. Choose the method that works best for you and continue to the next screen. After selecting your preferred method, complete the authentication process. This usually means signing in to the platform you selected and confirming that you want to use it to create your Vercel account. If Vercel asks for permissions, review the request and grant the required access so the setup can continue properly. Next, enter any account details that Vercel requires. This may include basic profile information or workspace details, depending on the sign-up path you selected. If you are asked to review any terms or policies, read through them and accept them to move forward. Once that is done, click the button to continue or create your account. Vercel may then ask you to complete a verification step. If so, follow the instructions shown on your screen and finish that process before moving on. After submitting everything, wait a moment while your account is being set up. When the process is complete, your Vercel dashboard should load automatically. This is a good sign that the account has been created successfully and that you are now signed in. At this stage, Vercel may show you a short onboarding flow. Take a moment to review the available options. You may see prompts related to importing a project, connecting a repository, or setting up your workspace. You can follow those prompts right away or skip them and return later, depending on what you want to do next. Finally, confirm that your dashboard is fully accessible and that your account is active. If you can reach the main Vercel interface and view the available tools and settings, your account setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.